Oakwood Worldwide is the largest corporate housing company in the world. We have around 20,000 units worldwide. Basically, corporate housing was started by our founder back in the 60s. He came up with the concept, decided that we're going to fully furnish apartments with linens, housewares, everything somebody would need to have a long-term stay, and we can rent the apartment, fully furnish it for less than they would pay if they were staying in a hotel for a month. In this facility, we process hundreds of thousands of invoices every year. The number of utility bills is definitely the catalyst why we wanted to move to an automated system. The fact that we're paying 70,000 bills a month, which is kind of a staggering number, really drove us to find some automated solution.
When we met with Brad, and however, discussing with us his challenges of processing the number of utility bills that they do, it was going to be difficult at best. It was improving the efficiency of handling the paper. Right now, you can just imagine paper is received, it was being passed around to cubicle, it was being sorted, it was being handed to individuals that would handle, for example, water or electric, yet cable would be handled by somebody totally differently. A clerk could process any number of bills now with this technology.
Under the COFAX system, the extraction pulls off the data for us. It starts to create the file that we need to run into our accounting system. When it's doing that, it allows our folks to just do some validation and make sure that everything is accurate. So they're more eyeballing or making sure that the information is accurate than coding the information themselves, and they love it.
The most important thing that we gained out of our engagement with Oakwood was their ability to explain to us the issues that they're faced with, the challenges that they have, the inefficiencies that they were trying to resolve. It was through that understanding of the business process that we were able to go back and apply the technology to solve that problem.
We were doing 120 to 150 invoices on a daily basis per person. Went on COFAX full-time in April of 2007, and by the end of last year we were processing 277 on a daily basis. So we more than, we doubled in some instances, and we're very happy with the productivity that we got out of the system, and Ray lived up to his word, so that's a good thing.
COFAX has been a leader in this industry for a long time. They continue to develop tools and/or technology that assists us in implementing these types of solutions.
The concern on the old process was that you could have late payments. We tried to pay 14 days out, but with the COFAX system, we're actually paying bills that came in 2 days ago. We've seen a 75% reduction in disconnects, which is just fantastic. Anytime you can eliminate a headache that a customer might have or a client who's staying in one of your apartments might have, it's really going to be a benefit to us and them. We had about 20 processors, and we've taken that down to 9 at this point. Just dramatic. When the COFAX system was completely implemented, the temporary folks were the ones that were let go. We retained all of our permanent employees, and people were very happy about that.
We feel very strongly about our partnership with COFAX. Not only do we feel we represent the first-class technology in the industry, but we represent a group of people that we're very proud to go to battle with. COFAX is a major part of our business.